everyone, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I am going to show you what all I received in my Glamego box for the month of May 2018. And this is how the Glamego box for this month looks like. So there are all these animated animals printed all over the box. And this looks so cute. Now let's see what all I got inside. So let's open the box together. We have some things written right here. It says, she's like Mummy Bear, cuddle us like a cub, she's like Mummy Elephant, navigate us to light, she's like Mummy Tigress, protect us like a cub, love you Mom. So we can clearly see that this month's theme is with Mother's Day in mind. The first product which comes out of the box is the Acne's for Pimple Prevention Pimple Defense Face Wash. I have already used this one. I got a sample of this in one of my earlier subscription boxes. This one suits my acne prone skin so well and I'm really excited to get this one. The next product which comes out of the box is the Watery Multivitamin and Rejuvenating Night Cream. It's a night infusion. I have used Watery's products earlier and I really liked using them. The next products are all bubble wrap. The first product is a nail polish. It's the Bella Voste Premium Nail Enamel. It's a silver colored nail polish. It doesn't say a shade number or name. I really like silver color, so I'm really happy to get this one. The next product is the Seer Secrets lip scrub. This is how it looks. It smells very fruity. I think the last product is going to be a lipstick. It's the Bella Voste The Perfect Pout lipstick. It's in the shade 04 Warm Tan Satin Touch lipstick. I really like this color, but I have a couple of lipsticks in the same shade, so I think I'm going to give it to one of my friends. So that's all that's there in the box. Now let's take a look at the cards. The first one says hashtag date with mom, so it seems like it's an Instagram contest. The second one says all the prices of all the products. The Watery Multivitamin and Rejuvenating Night Cream is a 30 ml product worth rupees 1550. The Acne's Mentho Cool Pimple Defense Face Wash is a full-size product worth rupees 99. The Seer Secrets Rambutan Dates and Licorice Lip Scrub is a full-size product worth rupees 261. The Bella Voste Sheer Cream Lust Lipstick Satin Touch is a full-size product worth rupees 225, and the Bella Voste nail polish is a full-size product worth rupees 249. So the total price of all the products is worth rupees 2384, and you can get the Glamego box for rupees 399. If you make a longer subscription, you also get more discounts. So those were all the products that I got in my Glamego box for the month of May 2018. I hope this video was helpful for you in case you want to subscribe to the Glamego box. If it was, then please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. It is going to mean the whole world to me. Also follow my blog and Instagram for more such reviews, and I shall see you next time. Until then, bye.